What is going on, guys? I'm back at it again with another snowmobile video. Today we're going to be showing you what $350 can buy you on Facebook Marketplace. Stay tuned. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here she is in all her glory, a 1998 Formula 583. It isn't the Formula Z, like this bad boy back here that I got all tore apart. This is the Formula 583 Deluxe. I've had this sled for a little bit. Did some work to it, had a fuel leak. The guy that I actually bought this for, like you can tell it's an immaculate sled. I had to replace the pull cord, new foam insert. Let's show you what happened here. So the brake caliper on this bad boy seized up and it caught a fire, burnt a bunch of wiring down. So I replaced all the wiring and everything that was melted. I replaced the oil jug and the coolant reservoir, both the reservoirs. I replaced those. And just basically a bunch of fuel lines and stuff like that. Most of it was minimal. There's very little wiring that I had to actually replace in here. Pretty much everything was fine the way it was. So I ended up putting a total of about $15 into this machine. And that was just the hoses. That was at the fuel line. That's the only thing I actually had to put in here. Under $400, I have myself pretty much a pristine 2,700 mile 583, which, man, these things last forever. The compression is beautiful. The only downside on a sled like this is I got the primer. So I took a couple pumps of the primer, a couple more than I thought it was going to take. I ended up having to pump this thing 2 more times to get it to start. Now I'm letting it warm up. It idles pretty well. Break that ice out of there. Alright, I got lucky enough to get a sled that comes with reverse here. Pull it in and you push it back in like that. That reverse is night and day on a machine like this, not having to pull it around the garage like the Mach Z. Thing's just crazy heavy. It's ridiculous. So let's go ahead and get this thing out of the barn and take it for a ride, tear it up, show you guys how she runs for $350. Camera all set up. Let's check this bad boy out, see what she's capable of. ripper. Giving this thing a workout. Looks like the RPMs are hanging up a little bit. There they go. Yeah, this thing's tearing. Tearing like nothing else. I wish I had this area cleaned up a little more. There's some rocks and stuff. I could bang the hill. But I just got a little bit of stuff, you know, some rocks and some old concrete, and I don't want to beat this thing up too bad, so I gotta you know, stay out of the danger zone. But yeah, this thing eats. Well, you can't beat that amount of fun for $350, I can tell you that. Thing doesn't even have a crack in it or nothing. Steers pretty well, handles pretty well on the ice. Heck, the track is even studded. She looks pretty nice down there. This thing's mint. This thing's a beautiful sled. Just a little bit of wiring I had to replace, and just collect part sleds. If you guys are into snowmobiling and you want to buy cheap, collect part sleds. That's the best way to do it, because when you get them cheap, they're going to be missing a few parts, and if you have a part sled, couple parts sled, you just rob some parts and get her going. So thanks for watching the video, guys. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, whatever you guys got to do. Appreciate you guys for watching the video. Peace.